a dog who's newly taken a lower position in the hierarchy. That's what you've seen this. Because his other responses was he was going to
Growl,
fight. Yeah,
snarl.
there was going to be fights. So now he's saying, I'm not doing that.
What do I
And he's
do?
new to it, so he's kind of doing one of these. He knows whenever he has a bad thought, he can't come over to me. Kind of like this is the beginning phase.
Drooling. Yeah, they know how to clean up, don't they?
What's that?
They know how to
yeah,
clean
they
up.
do. And I know there's more in this kind
Little
of
vacuum cleaners.
cleanup crew.
Oh my gosh.
Great.
Woo, good boy, Kane.
Yeah. Nice work. Good. So you like to guard things, including this kennel.
Yeah, and they said it started with food and bones from Misty, but now it's escalating to people and
They
ribs.
want to have that conversation, so he's going to find as many as he can. And eventually we'll end up with something or someone getting bit.
Yeah.
Because that's just how these stories go. So, but if we can lead him, if we can be the leader, you can see he's not going to do that right here with me. And then he learns another way, which is being friendly and polite, and that can be his new way, right? So. He's very insecure. Around them, he gets nervous with her, he gets nervous with Sparkle, he gets nervous with them all, so then he'll overreact.